Our coverage of ICAST continues, guys. I'm at Battery Tender, and I have to show you something that's going to solve a problem on my pontoon boat. Check this out. Hey guys, I'm Kevin, and this is Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for all things outside. I'm at ICAST 2026, the largest fishing industry show in the United States, maybe even the world. I don't even know, but this place is incredible. There's a bunch of vendors here, and Battery Tender is here, and I'm a huge Battery Tender fan, guys. I use a lot of battery tenders to tend my batteries on all kinds of things, my boat batteries, my lawnmower batteries, all kinds of things I have battery tenders on. But I stopped here yesterday and they showed me something that is going to solve a huge problem on pontoon fish, my 20-foot pontoon boat. Now, Battery Tender sells a battery connector for trolling motors. And I have a Minn Kota trolling motor on my boat. It's been on there for 10 years now. And the contacts of the connector are just all rusted out. And so it doesn't work half the time. I have to take it out and plug it back in. I have to sand the contacts to get it to work. I'm constantly putting dielectric grease on it. Basically, that connector is all worn out, needs to be replaced. So I've been looking for a solution. And when I was walking around here yesterday, Battery Tender showed me this. And this is their proprietary connector for trolling motors, but it can be any DC connector. So if you've got an RV or a travel trailer and you need to be able to connect a 12-volt battery cable, you're going to want a connector like this. Basically, how this works, guys, is it screws in. So if I unscrew it, right, and I just give it a couple of twists, it comes right off, right? And so this is the side that gets mounted in the boat, right? And you can flush mount it, right? It's got a couple of screws. And then this is a rubber cover that comes over the top so you can keep it closed up when your trolling motor is not plugged in. And then this side is the side for the trolling motor itself, where the battery cables come in off the trolling motor, right? They come in, they get clamped right there. Now they have a 90-degree angle mount that you can use, or they have a straight mount depending on what you need. And I'll show you the straight mount right here on the screen. But basically how this works is, guys, is it just screws in, right? So you pop this down and then you just set this in, get my fingers out of the way, just set this in right like that, right? And then you just screw it in. And as you can see, as I'm screwing it in, it's going in. And then when it clicks, right there, it clicks, it's locked in place, right? And then that way you have a super solid connection. And of course, this is the back side of this connector that goes to your battery cables that go to your trolling motor batteries. But this is just a super, super cool mount. And I'm going to get one of these for pontoon fish. And I'm probably going to put one of these connectors on the camper so that I have a battery connector outside. I think this is a super, super neat system. So you could use this for solar panels. You could use this for a DC to DC charge controller. You could use this for anything that you want to use it for. Super cool connector. So guys, I'm going to put a link to where you can pick up one of these. And it might be an affiliate link. I don't know if they have this on Amazon. If they do, I'll put a link to it. If not, I will just link to Battery Tender's website. Anytime you use one of my links, it could be an affiliate link, which if you use my link to purchase, doesn't cost you anything extra, but it's great to support my channel. I get a little commission on sale. Gotta get that out of the way for YouTube. But guys, I think this is the solution I've been looking for. So Battery Tender's where you get it. Guys, I'm Kevin. This is Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for all things outside. We got a lot more coming from ICAST, so stay tuned. We will see you outside.